Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by assessing damage and prepping the baby Panda magic car. This saves hours later. Use a quick visual sweep, then disconnect the battery to prevent shorts. Measure battery voltage with a multimeter so you know if charging is the issue, and inspect fuses and connectors closely. Corrosion indicates why systems fail. Once done, clear a workspace, lay out tools in order, and remove small panels to access the control module. This immediate access makes the first repairs efficient and precise. Now you diagnose drivetrain faults using codes and targeted tests. Plug a scanner to capture error numbers. These show how systems communicate and why the motor shuts down. Next, check motor controller voltages and continuity. Low voltage or bad ground explains intermittent power loss. Probe signal wires while the system runs so you catch transient faults. Inspect mechanical items like the drive belt and gearbox mounts, because a slipped belt or loose bolt can appear electrical but is purely mechanical. This method narrows the root cause. Finish by replacing identified parts and proving the fix. You want a reliable repair, not a temporary patch. Replace damaged harness sections with quality crimps and heat shrink, torque bolts to spec, and ensure connectors seat fully. This prevents future failures. Reconnect the battery, clear codes, and run a static systems test followed by a short road check to confirm behavior under load. If issues remain, rescan for new codes and focus on chassis grounds, or swap the suspect module as a controlled test. This isolates stubborn faults quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.